Hello everyone, welcome to the SR Maths Learning. In today's video, from the sequence and series, nothing but progressions, we are going to discuss one important topic, that telescoping series. So here telescoping series means it is a series whose partial sums even actually only have a fixed number of terms after cancellation. That means maybe you are not understand this definition. See, when you will see these kind of series, 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5, like this is so on. When you'll see this kind of series, when the product of the terms we are adding, 1 or 2 or 3 product of the terms we are adding, and if you look at this series clearly, the first terms of each terms, the first numbers of each terms follows one rule, and the second terms follows one rule, and the third term will be with common difference of one rule. So here, if you will observe clearly, all are in AP, like 1, 2, 3, this yellow colored one, these are also in AP, and 2, 3, 4, green color one are in AP, and 3, 4, 5, these are also in AP. So how to find the summation of these kind of series? So at the end, I will finalize the shortcut for this one, but I always prefer in my videos concept only. So those who know the concept very well, later they can do the same problems by using the shortcuts. First, we have to learn the concept. That's why I'll prefer in every video conceptually I will solve the problems. So let's see. First, if you'll observe here this one, the first numbers which I colored in yellow, if I'll take that all 1, 2, 3, these are in AP. So if I want the nth term of this one, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This we know. If the first term is 1 and the common difference is 2 minus 1, 1, and 3 minus 2, 1. So 1. So this you will get 1 plus n minus 1. These two gets cancelled, nth term will get n. So similarly, these are also in AP. So if you'll find out the nth term of this one, Tn is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into 1 common difference. So here you will get n plus 1. So third terms also in AP. For this you will get n plus 2 as the last term, nth term. So how can we rewrite the given question is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 into 5 plus so on. Nth term will be n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. That means this is Tn. This is Tn. So that is important to us. Tn is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. So this is what they're given. So here, what is our shortcut? What I'm going to tell you is, this Tn we will multiply with the next factor minus previous factor, next factor minus previous factor, divided by the constant what you are getting the difference in multiplying this. So what is mean by next factor here? After the n plus 2, next factor is n plus 3 minus, here previous factor means before the n, what you will get? N minus 1. So n minus 1. See here, when I will subtract these two again, n minus n cancel, 3 plus 1, 4 will be left out extra. That's why here the constant means what is we are getting extra here, that we are dividing this. So our nth term we are changing like this: next factor minus previous factor divided by constant. Now you multiply this inside, you will get n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 minus, here this is divided by 4, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n minus 1 by 4. So this is what we are getting. So please listen and observe carefully till the end of the video. You will get the shortcut every time. You don't need to do this all, but few people will get out how this shortcut came. So that's why I'm explaining this one. So now Sn in the sense here, Sn is nothing but T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on plus Tn. This is nothing but Sn, right? So sum of all the terms. So how we will get the T1 here? If I substitute here in this formula Tn, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 by 4 minus n minus 1, if I take first, this is 0 into 1 into 2 into 3 by 4. So similarly, when I'll take T2, so T2 will be 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 by 4 minus 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 by 4. So we are substituting here in this nth term what we got after multiplying the next factor minus first factor. In this we are substituting Tn is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 minus n minus 1 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 4. So in this we are substituting. So we are getting these results. So similarly, I can take the T3. So I can take the T3. So T3 is what we will get? So 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 by 4 minus 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 by 4. So on here. I'll get the Tn like what we have here, n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 minus n minus 1 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 4. So if you see the cancellation method, so the cancellation is going on like this. So first term, next term, first term, next term, last term. So what is, see, if you add this all, so like this it gets cancelling. That means Sn is equal to, here we are getting T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus so on plus Tn left hand side, that is nothing but Sn. Right hand side, what is left out is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 we got. So this is a Sn here. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4. Here, maybe you'll ask the first term. Something is left out here. See, it will become 0 here in this case. So this we are not taking here. This everything is 0. So that's why we are taken only Sn as this one. So now this telescoping series leads to know the Vn series, Vn method. So why Vn method? Every time we cannot do this all, right? So why we use here? Why Vn method? Why Vn method? What we got Tn here? N into n plus 1 into n plus 2, correct? So after modification, what we got? After modification, what we got the Tn is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 by 4 minus n minus 1 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 4. This is what we got. If I'll assume this as the Vn, so just check in this, wherever we have n, replace that with n minus 1. We will get this one. See here, n minus 1 plus 1 means n minus 1 plus 2 is n plus 1, n minus 1 plus 3 is n plus 2. So that's why this we will get Vn minus 1. So if you look at clearly, here you will get Tn is equal to Vn minus 1. Vn minus 1. So if you substitute n is equal to 1 here, T1 is equal to V1 minus V0. If I'll substitute n is equal to 2, T2 is equal to V2 minus V1. If I'll substitute n is equal to 3, T3 is equal to V3 minus V2, and so on. Tn will become Vn minus Vn minus 1. So when you'll add this all, so you'll get Sn. That is nothing but T1 plus T2 plus so on plus Tn. And here this will be cancelled like this. See, which we saw in the problem. So what we will get finally here, Vn minus V0. So therefore, our shortcut to find out the Sn when they are given this kind of series, Sn is equal to Vn minus V0. So here to apply this, first you have to find the nth term and you have to modify the nth term, and directly you can apply this formula. So hope you understand clearly this. So we will try to apply this formula to one more problem. Yeah, let's see this and we will try to apply that shortcut here. So the solution for this one, sum of the following series, find the sum of the following series. Find the sum of the following series to n terms, 1 into 4 into 7, 4 into 7 into 10, 7 into 10 into 13, like that. So if you look at this clearly, this is the first series what we are going to take. So here that is 1, 4, 7. If you look at common difference is 3 you are getting, so it is in AP. It is in AP. So if I'll find out the nth term here, Tn is equal to, formula is a plus n minus 1 to d. It is must and compulsory. We have to find out the nth term first. So 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. So you'll get 3n minus 2. So for the second series, which is 4, 7, 10. So I'm taking this one. This is the second series. So later I will take the third series. So this is also in AP with a common difference of 3. So nth term of this one will be 4 plus n minus 1 into d, means 3n plus 1 we are getting. And the third series is 7, 10, 13 and so on. So this is also in AP whose common difference is 3. So nth term will be 7 plus n minus 1 into d, means 3n plus 4 you are getting. So let's rewrite the question what they are given. So the given question is 1 into 4 into 7 plus 4 into 7 into 10 plus 7 into 10 into 13 plus so on. The nth term will be 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4. So right. So now this is our nth term. So we know the formula, right? Next factor minus previous factor divided by the constant. What you are getting the difference of this one. So the next factor for this one, will be 3n plus 7, because with the common difference it is. And the previous factor to this one will be 3n minus 5. So this is the previous factor. This is the next factor. So let's modify our nth term. So nth term will be 3n minus 2, 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4. Here, next factor means here we are getting 3n plus 7 minus previous factor 3n minus 5 divided by, what is the constant you are getting here? If after cancelling these two, 7 minus of minus 5 plus 5, so 12. So by 12, because the equation should be matched again as per the mathematics rules. So now it will become like this: 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4 into 3n plus 7 by 12. By 12 we will get, by 12 minus 3n minus 5 into 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4 divided by 12. So what we know, Sn, we need the sum now. Sn is Vn minus V0. Here this is Vn, this is Vn minus 1. So we'll take our Vn, that is 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4 into 3n plus 7 by 12 minus V naught. V naught means this n value 0 we have to substitute here. So 0 minus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 4 into 0 plus 7 by 12. By 12. So what you are getting here? 3n minus 2 into 3n plus 1 into 3n plus 4 into 3n plus 7. So here minus into minus plus 2 4 is 8, 8 7 is 56 divided by 12. So this is the SN. See, without solving the complete whole process, just we found the nth term here, we modified it. Nth term we found, we modified it, and we found the SN by using this shortcut. So this is the type 1 telescoping series. Telescoping series. So how to find the summation, how to find the TL, the shortcut and the whole process I discussed here. And I will give you one homework question. That question we will discuss in the next video along with the type 2 telescoping. Means when same question if they are given like 1 by 1, 2, 3 plus 1 by 2, 3, 4 plus 1 by 3, 4, 5. Like this they are given. How to find the summation of this one. So let's find out the method to find out the telescoping series of type 2. And before that, just go through one homework question. That question solution will be discussed in the next video. So this is the homework question. This is the homework question. So please solve this homework question. And for the solution, if you are not getting the solution or if you got the answer, to verify the answer, please keep watching my next video. In next video, I'm going to discuss type 2 telescoping series method. That is nothing but VN method. So thank you all for watching my videos.